Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for May 21st. Congratulations to Orlando Health St. Cloud Hospital, Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute, and Orlando Health Advanced Rehabilitation Institute for being named as Modern Healthcare Best Places to Work for 2025. This marks the fourth consecutive year that Orlando Health St. Cloud was selected for this national distinction. The second time in a row, Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute was honored, and the first time Orlando Health Advanced Rehabilitation Institute has been recognized. Only 150 healthcare companies and organizations were named to Modern Healthcare's 2025 list. Thanks for making Orlando Health your best place to work. And the Spring GLINT Survey is underway. Here's a special message from David Strong about the importance of sharing feedback during the survey.
Thanks, Brittany. You know, one of the things that I love about Orlando Health is that there is a spirit of trying to get better in all that we do. And one of the areas that I really want us to continue to get better in is being an amazing place to work. And one of the greatest ways that we do that is hearing feedback from team members and physicians. Our vehicle for doing that is managers that listen, but also through a formal process called the GLINT Survey. The GLINT Survey is going on right now, and I would encourage you to take 5 minutes out of your day to give us feedback on areas that we're doing well and those that we can improve upon. Thanks.
And last week, Orlando Health and Baptist Health celebrated team members and physicians who were recognized for their exceptional contributions and for exemplifying the Orlando Health key behaviors during the 2025 Orlando Health Excellence Awards, held in Orlando and Birmingham, Alabama. Created in 2022, this annual award is the highest honor that a team member or physician can receive at Orlando Health. It recognizes individuals who were peer-nominated for going above and beyond and delivering exceptional service to our patients, team members, and the organization by exemplifying our key behaviors of connection, communication, curiosity, and commitment. Congratulations to this year's 139 award recipients. And Orlando Health is celebrating National Emergency Medical Services Week, May 18th through the 24th. Observed annually, this week recognizes and honors the dedication of EMS professionals throughout our organization, as well as those who serve as partners within our community for the life-saving care they provide each and every day. Thank you to all of our EMS practitioners for your dedication and service. And last week, the Orlando Health Arts and Medicine program opened its annual exhibit at CityArts Gallery, showcasing the creative work of cancer patients and caregivers supported through the Orlando Health Cancer Institute. For nearly 30 years, this program has offered painting, writing, and other art forms to help patients focus on healing through expression. This year's theme, Metamorphosis, reflects the transformation that comes from the cancer journey, both inside and out. The exhibit features over 50 pieces and will be on display through June 14th. And Orlando Health and UCF unveiled a new AI project developed by doctors, students, and faculty. Orlando Health surgeons teamed up with undergraduate UCF engineering and computer science students to develop AI software to assist during surgeries.
Orlando Health and UCF have had a relationship for research for quite a long time, and this relationship is building.
This project is based on computer vision, which is a kind of AI, and the purpose of the software application is to track disposables on the operating room table. By doing that, we expect to increase efficiency and sustainability, right? Because we want to use our resources wisely. And this is just the beginning. Right now it's trained to track just one element. We want to add more elements to it, and actually we can get to the point where we track people in the operating room to study the OR dynamic, the OR staff dynamic, how many people comes into the room, and by doing that, we also could have a relevant impact on quality of care.
And dedicated respite rooms were opened last week at Orlando Health Melbourne Hospital and Orlando Health Sebastian River Hospital to focus on supporting team members. The respite rooms will provide team members with a space where they can go during break times or before or after shifts to recharge, relax, and interact with fellow team members. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.